So, quick update on the Land Cruiser. Today we have a transmission expert out because we can't get it into gear. When I first picked it up, I drove it for about an hour and a half back to home and changed gear fine. It's an auto box. Since then I had to get a key cut for it and had the brakes fixed, and next time we tried to move it, it wouldn't come out of gear, it wouldn't go into gear. Having had 3 different opinions on it, 2 out of 3 were, oh yeah, you need a new gearbox, and you know, quoted me thousands, literally. Other companies have come out and said, it needs an overhaul, which about 90,000 pesos. So no, I think it's something really small. I think that the override button got pressed or something when they were changing the key. There's thought it could be the solenoid, it could be the oil level, it could be so many little things that are just stopping it from going into gear. The problem is when you get transmission companies out, they just want to take it away and rehaul it and charge you shitloads for it. It doesn't need doing. So I'm hoping the company I've got out today that are working on it now will come back and just say, oh yeah, somebody pressed the override button so it's stuck in gear, or something very small like that, which I'm pretty sure it is. So we'll go through each option and hopefully narrow it down one by one. I thought I had to be here because this is holding everything up really. I want to get the painting started on the interior, which will then allow the flooring guy to come back in and finish the floor and all the seats, and then we can start working on the outside respray. I've chosen all the colours, the paint's here now, but just need to get over this transmission problem. The rest of the car is mechanically fine, so it's all systems go with everything else. Well, actually we found a little oil leak underneath, which we're looking at as well, but I don't think it's anything major from what I can see. Okay, that's my update for now, and maybe I'll do a quick short later just to let you know the transmission's fixed or not, as it may be. Ciao!